Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Durango rear wiper, only ways. Remove the wiper arm at the pivot by lifting the cover and loosening its nut, then pull the arm straight off. Replace the blade by unclipping the old blade and snapping the new one onto the arm until it clicks. Reinstall the arm, tighten the nut, lower the cover, and test the wiper for smooth operation. Start by opening the tailgate and lifting the small plastic cover at the wiper base to reveal the retaining nut. While holding the arm to prevent it from flipping, use a socket to loosen and remove the nut. Once the nut is off, grip the arm firmly near the pivot and pull straight up with steady force until it pops free from the splined shaft, then set the arm aside on a soft surface. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear, practical guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for durable, comfortable wear, perfect for workshop days when you're crawling under a tailgate. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a pair if you want long-lasting comfort, and now let's get back to the video. With the arm removed, press the release tab on the old blade and slide it out of the adapter to remove it. Take your new blade and align its adapter with the arm hook or pin, then push until you feel and hear a firm click indicating a secure fit. Reposition the arm onto the splined shaft, tighten the nut snugly without over-torquing, replace the plastic cover, and perform a quick wipe test to confirm proper seating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.